to Clever Kids. Before we start this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and give me a big thumbs up. So today we are going to do baking soda and vinegar science experiment that blows up the balloon. Make sure to have safety. So we have goggles.
We do.
Because baking soda is very dangerous. And make sure to have a grown-up or a guardian near you.
Yeah.
Now let's get started.
So for this experiment, we're gonna need vinegar, baking soda. You should use safety goggles, and you need this funnel. It's better, and you also should. If you want to, we're just gonna use it.
Coloring.
Yeah, if you want to, you could just add food coloring, but we're just using it. Yeah.
To look pretty.
Yeah. So vinegar. Also, you could use a straw if you want to for soda.
Because baking soda is like powder and it's hard to get in. Let's get started.
Yeah.
And of course, we're going to need balloon and a bottle.
Yeah.
Now, first we're going to pour the vinegar inside of this funnel, inside of here.
So let's just do that right
I'll
now.
hold it.
All right.
Still.
Thanks,
and then
Luna.
pour it.
So let me open this. So we just poured some vinegar into these two bottles, and now we're gonna pour the baking soda into the balloon. So I'm just gonna pour a tiny bit of baking soda in there.
Good.
That should be good enough.
Now we're going to pour food coloring in to make it look colorful. So I can't do some pink.
Wow, it's like orange.
No, this is like,
I thought that was pink, but it's orange.
well, I think in the vinegar, since the vinegar is not really like water, it's like made it that color.
Oh, well, yeah, it could be.
This is so bubbly. Wait, this is like Fanta, and that's like blue Fanta. Is there such thing as
So
now
guys, now we poured.
pour the balloon. Now we're going to put the balloon on here with the baking soda. So I need you to do it. Of course, I'm going to pick pink, because pink is pink. I don't know why.
So
Do you know why I picked pink? Because pink food coloring, pink vinegar, and pink balloon.
I see.
Make sure to put gloves if you have. It's not very necessary, but it's good to have.
It's not necessary.
So now we're going to pour the baking soda into here. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How did this happen? So cool.
It's so cool. It looks cool too. Look what happened to my.
So now we're going to do another one for fun.
Yeah. I wonder how this one will turn out.
And you could use this for a birthday, so it could blow up the balloons, but you have to be very careful and then like pull it and then tie it.
Yeah.
It's easier.
So let's try. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. It feels like cold ice cold. It's so cold.
Whoa,
Oh
my god.
Mine is like orange.
so
No, pink.
Mine is so blue. It's like so foamy and
Mine is pink.
behind it is that like the vinegar and the baking soda create some sort of chemical reaction that like makes air and air molecules and puts it into the balloon.
I think the baking soda makes it makes the vinegar blow up.
Oh.
And then it becomes foam, and then it's so crazy that it goes up.
And then all the air in the water bottle goes up and then fills up the balloon. Yeah.
Give us a like if you want to do another science experiment from us.
Yeah.
So you better click this. So that is it of our vinegar and baking soda science experiment.
It's so cool. It's so fun to do with your friends and everybody.
You could do it to impress someone.
Yeah, they're gonna think like you're a scientist or something.
Yeah, and they're gonna be so amazed. If it's someone's birthday, you could impress them like this. So before we end this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and give us a big thumbs up. And remember,
Be sharp and clever.